Hello there. Today I'm going to tell you how to basically stick an actor together in CelAction. Now we're going to go into assemble mode. So it's that little A compass there. The next thing we have to do is to bring in our prepared design file. I've designed one in Photoshop. I have everything on different layers, all called an individual name, and I have this pink align box behind all the layers. So we're ready to bring that in now. This is the pool, this is the canvas, and this is the actor box, and this here is the info bar. So first of all we're going to go to the pool and we'll go to this heading here, pool, load elements from shapefile, and I'm going to navigate to my shapefiles folder, and I've got it here, snowman. And now we can see, if we're clicking on the pool, that everything appears as it did in the Photoshop file. So I'm going to make a new actor, and I'm going to call him Snowman 0004. And now we clicked on the actor box and it looks blank, so we click back over here. Now I'm going to start sticking all these separate elements together. So what I'll do first is I'll bring up my modify box and start building really from the bottom up. So the lower body is going to be the parent of everything. The upper body goes onto the lower body, and then I'll work kind of backwards. Hand 2 goes onto arm 2. Now what I'm doing to get up this little plus is to press the Alt key. So every time I find something I want to stick onto something else, for example arm 2, I press Alt and then that little plus comes up, and I'm just going to click that to the upper body, and then we'll do the same with hand 1, click that onto the upper body, and then you can see it sort of goes above the thing that you've done before. You can also select multiples of things. I'm going to click all the tassels and click Alt, stick it to the tail of the scarf number 2, and the same with the tassels for number 1, stick them onto the number 1, and then 2 goes onto the scarf round neck 1, and then that will also go on the upper body. Then I've got all the things for the head. We've got, let's go from the bottom, we'll do mouth happy, nose is next, working up, eye 2, eye 1, eyebrow 2, eyebrow 1, and hat, and then the head goes onto the upper body as well. So we've got all that, and then you can see in the pool it's all stuck together there. And now all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that lower body, stick it onto the root 2. I'm just going to save that actor. It will be an ACT file, and there we have the snowman.